Dear participants, your feedback is very useful for us to make improvement in our upcoming FDPs, and we are very much indebted to you for your active participation in all these 5 days. Now, I would like to call upon our Dean, Dr. S. Malati, to uh, share some few words about this FDP.
Thank you, Professor Ilangovan, sir,
Thank you,
for
ma'am.
your interest. On behalf of Funimiller Engineering College, I would like to thank all the participants and also the resource persons who have gathered here for all these 5 days to make this program a successful one. The resource persons who have shared their experience and knowledge with us, I think it will be more useful for the young faculty members regarding this upcoming technology in deep learning and big data analytics and healthcare applications. On behalf of AICT, I would like to thank all the board members and the chairman of AICT for providing this wonderful opportunity to make use of this platform for all the faculty members. On behalf of Funimiller Engineering College, I once again thank our management dignitaries on and off the dais and also our principal, Dr. K. Mani, who has given a continuous source of encouragement in making this event a successful one. Thank you, one and all. I think all the participants have given your feedbacks and you have given all your assignments. And regarding the test also, the response is really good. I really appreciate for all the effort you have taken for this program. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to call upon Dr. V.D. Ambed Kumar, uh, professor, who is the backbone for conducting this 5 days FDP, to read out the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. It is a great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this program a very resounding success. I am extremely happy to give the vote of thanks to for estimate chief guest Dr. Mohan Reddy from IIT Hyderabad, chairman of AICT, vice chairman of AICT, panel members, and governing bodies of AICT, secretary of AICT for the estimate presence in the ATAL FTP on deep learning and big data analytics in healthcare applications. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to Dr. Munishwaran, Head and CSE Department, Department of Computer Science Engineering, Webco Engineering College, enlightening as enough, and my heartfelt thanks to Dr. R. Palasubramanian, Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, who spared time us in spite of his busy schedule. I am also wish to express my gratitude to Mr. S. Sharma from Agents for sharing his valuable thoughts. We have been fortunate enough to have Dr. M. Kalichelvi Geeta, Professor of CSE Department from Annamalai University, for giving an excellent demonstration about the CNN and applications using CNN. I sincere thanks Mr. G. M. K. Tirumurthy, Assistant Professor, Senior Grade, CSE Department from MEPCO Engineering College, for making the session interesting and insightful. I also express my gratitude to Dr. K. Ramalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Cornea Institute of Technology and Science, for sharing her valuable thoughts. I thanks to Dr. Ajay Kumar Khan, Associate Professor, CSE Department from Mizoram University, and Dr. K. Venkadeshan, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sanjivani College of Engineering, Maharashtra, for sharing the knowledge. I am also wish to express my gratitude to Dr. M. Prakash, Professor, CSE Department, and Karpam College of Engineering, Coimbatore, making the session interesting and useful. I am very grateful our secretary and correspondent, Dr. P. Chinnadurai, and our dynamic directors, Mr. C. Sakti Kumar, Mrs. C. Vijayas Rajeshwari, and Mrs. Saranya Sri Sakti Kumar, for giving us an opportunity to organize this event. I thank our beloved principal, Dr. K. Mani, who graced us with his presence and guidance. I am very much thankful to our coordinator, Dr. S. Maladi, Professor and Dean, ME Department, Panimalur Engineering College, for her perfect logistic support and guidance. A grateful thank to all our organized committee members for showcasing remarkable dedication and excellence during these 5 days. Last but not the least, I thank you all the participants for their activity participants. Without your generous support, it would not have been possible to organize such an event. I am once again thanks to everyone for making this AICT Atal 5 days FTP on deep learning and big data analytics in healthcare application in trust area AI a successful one. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ambed Kumar. Selva,
Yes, sir.
One more information to all the participants. You will be receiving your certificates from AICT with the concerned mail IDs what you have registered for this faculty development program. Once again, thank you one and all.
Selva, Selva,
Yes, sir.
the participants now you can raise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, participants.
Thank you,
Have
sir.
a great day.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you, Selva.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Stop recording.
Okay.